What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Fantom, guys. I think we may be gearing up for a large move here. Currently, we're almost at $2, down about 4.2% on the day, sitting in a market cap of 5.04 billion, 24-hour volume 453 million. Ladies and gentlemen, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. My favorite app for investing. Incredible benefits, guys. You get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 1 hour chart. I wanted to show you guys the MacD. You can see the MacD is basically in the floor here. And if I drop in this level of support here, you can see we got overextended. I'll show it to you better on the 4 hour. And we had a healthy correction. We've come back down to retest the previous all-time high that I've been covering here on the last few days on the channel. But before that correction, if you look at this support on the MacD, you can see here as well, we got overextended. We came back down to the 4 hour EMAs. This is the 1 hour chart. I'll show it to you here on the 4 hour. But you can see right here where the MacD came down to is the current level we're sitting at. We had the bullish cross and the price absolutely exploded here. Now, if I show you guys Fantom on the 4 hour, you can see right here, we got overextended. We came back to the EMAs. We've come back to a key level of support, the previous all-time high. And we're looking for a continuation, in my opinion. As you can see here, we got overextended. We came back to the 55. And Fantom was absolutely pumping. We get overextended. We come back to the 20 EMA. Overextended back to the 20, back to the 20. We had a bit of a harsher correction here. We broke the 55. We bounced back up, back above the EMAs. As you can see here, get a little bit overextended, come back to the 55, back to the 55 EMA, back to the 20, back to the 20. So in my opinion, with the MacD being in the floor like that in the hourly, about to have the bullish cross, this may be where we start to explode once again for Fantom. So if you see some volume start to step in here, and we're able to get back above the EMAs, we break 227. Your target is here at 244, but basically your next big target is the 1.618 up at $3 here for Fantom. Bitcoin is currently broke out and is now sitting at 61.3K, which is incredible, guys. We've broken this trend line of resistance from our bearish divergence, and there's really not much resistance until all the way up to our previous all-time high at 64.9K for Bitcoin. And as you can see here with Bitcoin dominance, it's continuing to rise. But what may happen and what we want to see here is the Bitcoin dominance creates a higher high while creating a lower high on the RSI on the 4 hour, giving us a bearish divergence. And we see the Bitcoin dominance start to roll over. And that's when we'll see Fantom start to take off, along with many of the other altcoins. As when Bitcoin dominance is rising, that means a lot of the trading volume is pouring into Bitcoin. And when it's falling, it's pouring back into the altcoins. And that's when you tend to see alts absolutely explode. So I do think we have an incredible opportunity to bounce here. I am currently in a trade for Fantom. I've been dollar cost averaging at low leverage all the way down to the previous all-time high. I do have some buy limits underneath this price as well, just in case we were to lose this level of support. But the fact that Bitcoin has broke 60K, I think is a really strong sign that we're going to see some movement for the alts here. I think we'll have to see Bitcoin start to see a little bit of consolidation, and then we'll see the Bitcoin dominance start to drop and altcoins start to take off. All right, guys. So just a little quick update here to show you guys the MacD here on the hourly. We're almost seeing the bullish cross, and previously we absolutely exploded off this level of support here on the MacD. So your target's 244, guys, and the 1.618 is your big target all the way up at $3. And then if we lose this level of support, I don't think it's the likely scenario. We have some support down here at about 165 for Fantom. If you'd like to trade Fantom with me, sign up to Bybit and grab over $1,600 in bonuses for a limited time, $50 for your first deposit within 48 hours. Check out the Discord, follow me on Instagram. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.